what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Also, people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to another day of Colleen's Creeptober. For this video, I will be doing my version of a snow ice fairy. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette for this look. I wanted to do a full video review on that palette and time just kept escaping me, and it's just been too long. It's been out for a while. There's tons of videos on it. It's kind of pointless for me to do my review. I'll just tell you right now, I really liked it. It did not disappoint me. I think it's a great palette. I mean, it is $54, so it is a little bit on the expensive side, but I don't regret buying it. I think it's really beautiful. I know I showed it in an unboxing video or a haul video, and this is what it looks like. It's just absolutely stunning. It works really nicely, and I am very happy that I purchased it. And I thought this would be a fun palette to use for a fairy look because it's crystal themed. So yeah. Also, look at these earrings. I made these. These aren't on my shop yet. I have to make some more. I was just testing them out, but I figured they were absolutely perfect for a snow ice fairy type of look. I wish I had a tiara of crystals, but I don't, and I'm not going to spend extra money just for a tiara for my video. I don't have the money to do that. They're really expensive. I was looking them up just because I think that they're pretty, and they're expensive. Geez. And I don't want to buy some piece of crap one, so yeah. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into creating a snow ice fairy look. Okay, so like I always do, I just primed my eyes with my P. Louise base, and now I'm going to jump in to the color Antidote right here, just on the brush that actually came in the palette. And I am just going to go into my crease and socket area with it, just in a windshield wiper motion back and forth. One day I'll shock you guys and I will actually do something else on my eyes. You can kind of see it on my nose and my cupid's bow, but I have a really pretty color. It's an eyeshadow slash highlighter from Beauty Bar Baby called Moonstone on, and it is super pretty. So I'm holding it up to the mirror here and the light's hitting it, and it's just shining so pretty. I don't know why I said that I was doing so big with the little And now I'm going to take just a flat shadow brush, and I'm going to go in to this light color called Good Karma right here. And I am going to apply that to my brow bone area. It's a nice matte creamy color. And then I'm actually going to jump into I'm going to jump into Opal Aura right here, and I'm going to pick up a tiny bit of that on my brush and just give the brow bone a tiny bit of sparkle. Okay, so now I'm going to jump in with my E25, and I'm going to go into this color Hex right here. And I was going to put that in the lower part of my crease area, just darkening up that area. For Halloween, are you guys into spooky, scary stuff? Or do you like the idea of Halloween, but you don't like creepy movies or haunted houses? I won't lie, I'm a big baby and I hate haunted houses. I hate jump scares. I don't like violent movies, so horror movies are totally out. I'm just I love the whole vibe of Halloween, but I'm also such a baby. I can't take advantage of going to haunted houses. When we were in college, they would do trips to Six Flags, and it would be really cheap to get in because they would do group pricing and stuff. And I remember they would always go for Fright Fest, and because Six Flags was isn't exactly cheap to get in, and it's 2 hours for me. me and my friends would always go, but I always like hated after it became dark because then like the characters would come out and it's not my favorite thing. Like we were in Disney the last time when I was telling the story about the haunted room. We went on the haunted mansion. Me and my brother sat together. He's 5 years younger than me. I was 24, so that made him 19. See how good I did math there? And I need like glasses for distance. Oh, I have prescription sunglasses. So we went on the ride and we're sitting there and I kept my sunglasses on. I was trying to keep my eyes closed. And my brother's like, are your eyes closed? And I'm like, no. He's like, they are. This isn't scary. Open your eyes. This ride is made for kids. And it actually wasn't that scary, but it's the whole like idea. Like I'm such a dork. So do you guys like that stuff, or am I alone in being the dork who's afraid of it? So now I'm going to jump into this color Ojo right here. The only thing is I do find these shimmers to be slightly crumbly. I mean, that doesn't bother me too much, but I know some people don't like that. I mean, I guess because it's annoying. And I'm just going to spritz it with some water. And I'm going to put that all over my entire lid. Mobile lid, excuse me, not over. I mean, it's a beautiful color. It would be really interesting all over the lid, but... So just like that, I got a tiny bit of fallout, so I'm just going to grab just a brush and just brush it off a little bit. So now I want to go, I'm just going to take another flat brush, the same brush I used for my brow bone area, and I'm going to go into the color Opal Aura right here. Like when I go in with my finger, they're not crumbly, but when you stick a brush in, they're crumbly, which stinks, but... For this look, I need to use a brush. And I'm actually going to place Opal Aura in the center part of my mobile lid, just to really give it another, like, super pizzazz of sparkle. I don't know what super pizzazz of sparkle is, but apparently it's this. Sometimes, like, when I'm making my videos, I don't even know what I'm saying. It's embarrassing. I should be embarrassed. But that's kind of me in real life, too. So it's like, yeah. And then I just want to go in with Ojo again. Just to make sure that the dark blue and the lighter blue are nice and put together. Then I'm just going to take the brush that I had hexed on, and I'm going to just go over the top right here, just kind of blending them in to one another. So it's going to look like this so far. So off this side, I kind of just finished everything up except mascara. And then on this side, I put Fenty's gel eyeliner in Lady Lagoon on my lower lash line. And then I went in, which you can't really see, and I'm not very good at it, is I did little snowflakes and then put this really cool glitter called Golden Petals from Focallure over the top, just to kind of give it a sparkly look. My white eyeliner with the snowflakes kind of got overshadowed by the glitter, but oh well. So then I realized for my lower lash line, there wasn't a color that I really loved to do, and I wanted to do the blue. So I'm going into the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals palette and just going into Blue Raz right here. And just going on my lower lash line. Or under my lower lash line, excuse me. It's because I really wanted there to be the blue under there. And then for my inner corner, I'm just going to jump back into Opal Aura. And I'm going to apply that to, wait, with a flat brush on my inner corner. So it's looking like this so far. This is my finished look right here. I just added some fun sparkly lashes and then finished up my lips with the Wet n Wild multi-stick. It's this blue one. Where did I put it? Right here. And then just put a little bit of Smolder Cosmetics Moonstone on my lips to give it like a little iridescent look. Of course, my right eye is tearing because I have eyelashes on, so that's a lot of fun. But it is what it is. I still think this is a fun, you know, sparkly, you know, ice fairy look. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I totally get it. I am not one of the cool kids, but I thank you for stopping by and sharing this minute with me. I really appreciate it. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, so oh well. Anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye.